Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Tech Talk, where we make tech fun and accessible. Today, we've got a topic that's as mysterious as it is important, VPNs. But before we dive into the world of VPNs, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our tech adventures. Imagine this. You're a secret agent on a mission, and you need to send sensitive information to HQ without the bad guys intercepting it. Well, that's kind of what VPNs do for your online data. Okay, maybe you're not a secret agent, but your online privacy is just as important. In today's digital world, there are cybercriminals lurking around every digital corner, just waiting to steal your personal information or monitor your online activities. So how can you protect yourself from these digital spies? Enter VPNs. Meet our heroes, the VPNs. VPN, or Virtual Private Network, is like your digital superhero cape. It shields your online identity and keeps your data safe from cybervillains. Just like superheroes protect their cities, VPNs protect your online world. They're your trusty sidekicks in the fight for online privacy. So, how do VPNs work their magic? VPNs use encryption to turn your data into an unreadable code. It's like sending a secret message only you and HQ can decode. His encryption process happens inside a secure tunnel created by the VPN. It's like a secret underground passage through the internet's dark alleys. But wait, there's more. VPNs create a secure tunnel between your device and a server in a remote location. It's like a secret passage through the internet's dark alleys. This tunneling ensures that your data is shielded from prying eyes and cyber thieves while it makes its way to its destination. It's like your data taking a secret, secure route to keep it safe. All right, now let's talk about why you'd want to be a digital ghost. Being anonymous online means your internet service provider, ISP, advertisers, and even nosy hackers can't snoop on you. Your online activity is your business. When you connect to a VPN, it replaces your real IP address with the IP address of the VPN server you've chosen. This means websites and online services see the VPN server's location, not yours. It's like wearing a mask for your online identity. Ready for a globe-trotting adventure from your couch? With a VPN, you can virtually teleport to different countries. It's like traveling the world without leaving your room. When you connect to a VPN server in a different country, you appear to be browsing the web from there. This means you can access websites, streaming services, and content that might not be available in your own country. It's like unlocking the full potential of the internet. Now that you're sold on VPNs, let's go shopping. But not all VPNs are created equal. We've got some tips to help you pick the perfect one. Look for a VPN with a strict no-logs policy, strong encryption, a wide server network, and good customer support. It's like finding the perfect gadget for your secret agent mission. And speaking of perfection, here's a little bonus: using VPNs for streaming. With a VPN, you can unlock a treasure trove of geo-restricted content. Movie Night just got a major upgrade. By connecting to a server in a different country, you can access streaming libraries from around the world. It's like having a magic remote control for your TV. But remember, even superheroes need backup plans. We'll share some crucial VPN security tips to ensure you're always protected. Keep your VPN software and operating system up to date and always connect to a trusted server. Use multi-factor authentication, MFA. Enable MFA for your VPN account. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to provide a second form of verification in addition to your password. MFA is like having a secret handshake along with your superhero cape. It ensures only you can access your VPN. Avoid free VPNs. While free VPNs might seem tempting, they often come with limitations and potential security risks. it's best to invest in a reputable, paid VPN service for maximum security. Think of it like choosing a high-tech, impenetrable vault to protect your secrets instead of a flimsy lock. Be wary of phishing attacks. Always be on the lookout for phishing attacks. Cybercriminals may try to trick you into revealing your VPN login credentials through fake websites or emails. Spotting phishing attempts is like having a built-in lie detector for your digital interactions. Well, folks, that's our action-packed adventure through the VPN universe. Remember, with great internet comes great responsibility. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below your thoughts, and hit that notification bell to stay in the tech know. Thanks for joining us on this thrilling VPN journey at Tech Talk. Until next time, stay secure and happy surfing.